English Speaking Practice Series for Beginners. Episode 44.
Let's practice 100 common English questions and answers for daily conversations.
Can you whistle? Can you whistle?
Yep, I can whistle. Yep, I can whistle.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
Playing the guitar is my favorite hobby. Playing the guitar is my favorite hobby.
Do you enjoy painting or drawing? Do you enjoy painting or drawing?
Yep, love painting. Yep, love painting.
What's your favorite flower? What's your favorite flower?
Roses, they're beautiful. Roses, they're beautiful.
Do you like to go to the beach? Do you like to go to the beach?
Yeah, beach days are the best. Yeah, beach days are the best.
Have you ever been to a zoo? Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yeah, been to quite a few. Yeah, been to quite a few.
Who's the oldest person in your family? Who's the oldest person in your family?
My grandma takes the crown. My grandma takes the crown.
Do you do anything special with your family? Do you do anything special with your family?
We have a big Sunday dinner tradition. We have a big Sunday dinner tradition.
How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have?
3 close buddies. 3 close buddies.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Nikki's my ride or die. Nikki's my ride or die.
Do you have any friends from other countries? Do you have any friends from other countries?
Yeah, got a pal from China and another from Mexico. Yeah, got a pal from China and another from Mexico.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support us. Thank you.
What do you like to do with your friends? What do you like to do with your friends?
Movies and games are always a blast. Movies and games are always a blast.
Have you ever had an argument with a friend? Have you ever had an argument with a friend?
Yeah, but we always patch things up. Yeah, but we always patch things up.
What's the most fun thing you did with your friends lately? What's the most fun thing you did with your friends lately?
My birthday bash was a blast. My birthday bash was a blast.
What's your favorite subject in school? What's your favorite subject in school?
I really enjoy history class. I really enjoy history class.
Do you like studying outdoors? Do you like studying outdoors?
Yeah, studying outside can be refreshing. Yeah, studying outside can be refreshing.
Have you ever participated in a school sports team? Have you ever participated in a school sports team?
Yep, I used to play on the basketball team. Yep, I used to play on the basketball team.
What's your favorite outdoor activity? What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love going hiking in the mountains. I love going hiking in the mountains.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends? Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
I prefer studying with friends, it's more fun. I prefer studying with friends, it's more fun.
Have you ever gone camping with your classmates? Have you ever gone camping with your classmates?
Yeah, we went on a camping trip last summer. Yeah, we went on a camping trip last summer.
What's your favorite thing about school? What's your favorite thing about school?
I like hanging out with friends during breaks. I like hanging out with friends during breaks.
Do you enjoy field trips? Do you enjoy field trips?
Field trips are awesome, I love exploring new places. Field trips are awesome, I love exploring new places.
Have you ever visited a museum with your school? Have you ever visited a museum with your school?
Yeah, we went to a science museum last semester. Yeah, we went to a science museum last semester.
What's the most exciting school event you've attended? What's the most exciting school event you've attended?
The school talent show was really cool. The school talent show was really cool.
Do you like shopping for school supplies? Do you like shopping for school supplies?
Not really, but it's necessary. Not really, but it's necessary.
What's your favorite school lunch? What's your favorite school lunch?
I enjoy pizza day the most. I enjoy pizza day the most.
Do you ever study in the library? Do you ever study in the library?
Yeah, I often study in the library before exams. Yeah, I often study in the library before exams.
Have you ever been on a school trip to a zoo? Have you ever been on a school trip to a zoo?
Yeah, we went to the zoo in elementary school. Yeah, we went to the zoo in elementary school.
What's your favorite outdoor game to play with friends? What's your favorite outdoor game to play with friends?
I love playing soccer in the park. I love playing soccer in the park.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes? Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yeah, I like updating my wardrobe once in a while. Yeah, I like updating my wardrobe once in a while.
What's your favorite subject to study outdoors? What's your favorite subject to study outdoors?
Science is really interesting to learn about outdoors. Science is really interesting to learn about outdoors.
Do you like doing group projects in school? Do you like doing group projects in school?
Yeah, it's a great way to collaborate with classmates. Yeah, it's a great way to collaborate with classmates.
Have you ever participated in a school science fair? Have you ever participated in a school science fair?
Yeah, I did a project on plant growth last year. Yeah, I did a project on plant growth last year.
What's your favorite outdoor place to hang out with friends? What's your favorite outdoor place to hang out with friends?
The park is always a fun spot to hang out. The park is always a fun spot to hang out.
Do you prefer online or in-person classes? Do you prefer online or in-person classes?
I prefer in-person classes, it's easier to focus. I prefer in-person classes, it's easier to focus.
Have you ever gone on a school trip to the beach? Have you ever gone on a school trip to the beach?
Yeah, we went on a marine biology trip last spring. Yeah, we went on a marine biology trip last spring.
What's your favorite school memory? What's your favorite school memory?
Winning the basketball championship with my team. Winning the basketball championship with my team.
Do you like shopping for school books? Do you like shopping for school books?
Not really, but I enjoy browsing for new reads. Not really, but I enjoy browsing for new reads.
What's your favorite school tradition? What's your favorite school tradition?
I love the annual school carnival. I love the annual school carnival.
Do you enjoy outdoor picnics with friends? Do you enjoy outdoor picnics with friends?
Yeah, picnics are a great way to relax and hang out. Yeah, picnics are a great way to relax and hang out.
Have you ever gone on a school trip to a historical site? Have you ever gone on a school trip to a historical site?
Yeah, we visited a colonial village last year. Yeah, we visited a colonial village last year.
What's your favorite school field to play sports in? What's your favorite school field to play sports in?
The soccer field is my favorite. The soccer field is my favorite.
Do you like shopping for school uniforms? Do you like shopping for school uniforms?
Not really, but it's part of the deal. Not really, but it's part of the deal.
What's your favorite outdoor activity to do with family? What's your favorite outdoor activity to do with family?
I enjoy going on hikes with my family. I enjoy going on hikes with my family.
Have you ever gone on a school trip to a farm? Have you ever gone on a school trip to a farm?
Yeah, we went to a dairy farm in middle school. Yeah, we went to a dairy farm in middle school.
What's your favorite school club to participate in? What's your favorite school club to participate in?
I enjoy being part of the drama club. I enjoy being part of the drama club.
Do you like shopping for school backpacks? Do you like shopping for school backpacks?
Yeah, I like finding one that fits my style. Yeah, I like finding one that fits my style.
What's your favorite outdoor place to study? What's your favorite outdoor place to study?
I like studying under a tree in the park. I like studying under a tree in the park.
Have you ever gone on a school trip to a botanical garden? Have you ever gone on a school trip to a botanical garden?
Yeah, we went on a biology trip last year. Yeah, we went on a biology trip last year.
What's your favorite school holiday? What's your favorite school holiday?
I enjoy the winter break the most. I enjoy the winter break the most.